So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to arrange a table in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this online retail data set. It has many columns as you guys can see. But for this tutorial, we'll be working with category, subcategory for profit and sales. So let's go to report pane and over here we'll first make a table. So in the visualization pane, there is a table widget. Double click on this. It got added. Now first I will add category. Then I will add subcategory, profit and sales. So our table is ready. I will bring it over here. Now as you guys can see, the text size is very small. So first I will change the text size. For that, go to format, go to grid, and over here down below you will see a text size option. Let's say 15, and we have changed the text size. Now let's see what all other feature it has. Again, go to format, grid. We can add vertical grid, let's say on, and change the color to black. So in this way we can add vertical grid to our table. Then we can change the thickness as well. We can change the horizontal grid color, let's say this one. Then we can change the row padding as well, let's say 3, 4, like this, 6, like this. So let's keep it as 1. We can change the text size. Now in the column header, we can change the font color. Let's say I want to change it to blue. So the font color of the headers have changed to blue. We can change the background color as well. Let's say black, like this. Now there is one more important option which is known as field formatting. So in this, we can format a column. Let's say I want to format subcategory. I want to change background color of subcategory to this. So the background color of this subcategory have changed. Similarly, we can format each column individually. So in this way, we can do much more things in table. So in this way, one can align a table in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.